They emerge in mid to late May, look for a nice comfy place to molt, then they climb up into a tree and their summer concert starts. It's important to note that the males are the only ones that sing. After molting, once their exoskeleton hardens, that's when they're able to make their characteristic cicada sound. Male cicadas possess a special organ called a timbal that they use to produce their sound. These organs sit behind the wings on either side of the abdomen. The corrugated structures are what produces the sound through vibrations. Scientists have found that a male's abdomen is partially hollow, which they believe further amplifies the sound that the cicada makes.